Hello students, this is your Mr. GST CA Vishnuvardhan, and in this video we are going to see the top priority topics for CA Inter Jan 2025 exams with respect to, of course, GST. First of all, before going to this video, I just want to tell you one thing. With respect to your CA Inter taxation paper, you know direct tax 50 marks, indirect taxes for 50 marks. Indirect taxes, of course, from so many years and so many attempts, it was the savior, it is the savior, and it will be the savior for you in your taxation paper. So keeping this in mind, please understand, thorough understanding of entire GST syllabus will really help you a lot to score good amount of marks in your CA Inter taxation paper. So giving this, now coming to the important, like top priority topics, I don't say important, but top priority topics which you should definitely be very much focused and thorough with. So chapter wise I have given here, so let us go into that. So first, coming to chapter supply, with respect to chapter supply, section 7 subsection 1 clause A, clause B, clause C read along with schedule 1 and schedule 3. Next, please understand, not only in this chapter, any chapter for that matter, circulars, the latest circulars whatever you see in your syllabus are damn important for your exam. So the circulars of this particular chapter, next section 8 is going to be important, and next chapter number 3, that is charge. So charge topic 9 subsection 3, 9 subsection 5, section 10 fully are top priority topics. Place of supply is something added newly in your syllabus, and this is a third attempt they are testing this place of supply going to test. So please make sure you are thorough with this chapter, and it is a very small chapter. Please be very much thorough with this particular chapter, and the examples from ICA study material and the book back questions of ICA study material, please be very thorough with that. Good chances of the same question being tested in your exam. Coming to exemptions, most of the students will be worried about, sir, what are the important exemptions? See, first of all, as I already told you, every chapter, all the circulars will play a very crucial role in your exam. So very high chances circulars, latest circulars being tested in your exam. So please make sure you are going through amendments, all that stuff with respect to circulars also, to understand what are latest circulars. So now, important exemptions from this chapter: education sector related exemptions, transportation of goods and passenger sector, agriculture sector, healthcare and training and coaching in recreational activities, banking sector, tour operator services, resident welfare association, right to admission to any places with 500 rupees limit, that ticket, and artist performance with 1,50,000 limit, sports related, the individual providing his services as a referee, team manager, coach, umpire and player, these things, construction with respect to single residential unit and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana scheme, skill development programs, government services. These are going to be the key exemptions for you, which should be definitely you are aware of, right? Next, coming to the next one. See, time of supply and value of supply is very small chapters and very important chapters. And you know, especially value of supply is all about calculating the value, deals with problems. So please be very thorough with that. Okay. Next, coming to ITC chapter 16 subsection 2, 4, 17 subsection 5, blocked credits, 18 subsection 1, 2, 4 and 6, rule 86 80B, 86B, very important topics. Please be very thorough with these topics, and of course remember the section numbers and rule numbers also here with respect to this topic. Coming to registration chapter, section 22, 23, 24, 25, 29 and 30, these are going to be key concepts which you should be focusing very well. And coming to the next chapter, tax invoice, debit note and credit note, e-invoice, dynamic QR code topics, credit note and debit note topics are very crucial for you. E-way bill, see now these 4 chapters, very small chapters, and most of the students will neglect these chapters. Please understand, questions from these chapters will be literally damn easy in the exam. So please make sure you are fully thorough with this topics. So please make sure these 4 chapters you are fully 100% clear, because I repeat, small chapters and questions are very easy from this chapter. So please make sure you are going through that. And accounts and records, please make sure you are thorough with the time limit to retain the books of accounts, very important topic. And in my YouTube channel also I have uploaded amendments video for 1.5 hours. Please make sure definitely you are watching that, because every exam amendments are really very important. Good chances of adjustments in the problems or anything, a separate question altogether regarding any amendment or circular also possible. So please make sure you are watching that amendments video also. And now the very important thing is, see, from my end, what are the sources available for you with respect to your GST preparation, CA Inter preparation, marathon part 1, 2 and 3 I have already uploaded in my YouTube channel CA Vishnuvardhan, Mr. GST CA Vishnuvardhan, so you can refer there. The link also will be given in the description regarding that marathon videos that you can watch. And the next one is amendments video along with amendment material also I have uploaded in YouTube, so please make sure you are thorough with that. So these two things are already uploaded and please make sure you are going through that. And one more thing, even though the amendment video is 1.5 hour video, for you to help to revise the amendments quickly before the exam, one day before the exam or even on the day of the exam, I will be making, as you have been seeing from last attempt, I've started making a quick revision reel on amendments, which will hardly take 5 to 7 minutes of covering all the amendments. So hardly in 10 minutes, entire amendments clearly will be revising in a crisp manner, so that before going to the exam also, if you watch that reel, it will be easy for you to have a quick recap of all the amendments. So that I will be releasing soon. Okay, so just wait for that quick reel. For that, please make sure you are subscribing to the channel and share this video to your friends also. And the last point here is, sir, when you are going through your preparation and once you want to have some decent practice on the questions, please make sure a thorough revision of RTPs and MTPs belonging to May 24, September 24 and Jan 25 attempts will give you an exposure to latest questions, and I have seen them personally. The questions are very good from these particular things, so please make sure you are going through them. So make sure you are thorough with this particular RTPs, MTPs, and make sure you are thorough with this adjustments, especially really good adjustments. Make sure you are solving. So finally, please understand, yes, you are very much near to your exams and you will be going through so much of stress and pressure. Just remember, you should definitely believe in yourself and keep faith on your talent. Definitely will be going to rock in the exams, so believe in yourself. Wishing you all the very best and wishing you all the success. This is your Mr. GST signing off. Jai Hind.